Officer Dickerson, Officer Brill. Got your body cameras on.
Okay.
All right, want to run us through what happened?
Sure. Had a couple of guys walk in. I was standing over here. They acted like nothing was any big deal. The one guy walked past me, said, "Happy holidays." I could just tell by the way they were acting what was probably about to take place.
Okay.
They headed over this way. Walked around here, and I could hear them taking trash bags out. So I knew something was up. I approached from over here. I stayed behind the counter. I walked over here, and I could see them both with trash bags. They're just looking at me, loading up. And I said, "Guys, come on." Just trying to be kind of personal with them, but like, "Guys, come on." Find them back there? Aisle 7? Alright, give me 1 second, I'll help you.
So it looks like they loaded up mostly on batteries?
Loaded up, took a bunch of batteries, took this whole thing, loaded up on this whole thing.
Okay.
I said, "Guys, come on." The guy goes, he kind of took a step toward me and he goes, "You don't want to get hurt, do you?"
Right, right.
And I said, "No," I backed up, said, "I'm not stopping, I'm just doing my job, I'm going to have to call the cops, guys."
Okay.
He's like, "Okay, cool, we're not coming back." And they just kept loading up, took a bunch of candy and anything they could grab between here and the door.
And I guess they went to town on the double A's, right?
Oh yeah.
So we got to keep the Xbox controllers going.
Yep, this
Yeah.
whole thing, I mean, there was probably hundreds of dollars in batteries on there.
Yeah.
They yanked. Whatever candy, anything they could grab on the way out.
Yeah.
And they were very verbal about it. He said, "We're not going to hurt you, we're just robbing you."
So we're not going to hurt, we're just robbing you, and then they also said you don't want to get hurt, do you?
He did, at first he goes, "You don't want to get hurt, do you?"
Okay.
I said, "No, I'm not stopping you, I'm just doing my job, guys." I backed up. Doing my job, I'm going to do it here. And he goes, "Okay." And when they were leaving, he goes, "I'm just robbing you, I'm not going to hurt you." Once I
You must be
backed
from
off.
California. Right?
Yeah.
And you got your ID handy?
Mine.
Yeah, if you don't mind. Thank you.
So roughly how many packs of batteries do you think they got?
I don't know. I mean, they were just loading up. They saw me looking at them, continued to load up. The one guy spoke to me, and they just, whatever he could fit in the bag. I mean, there was probably at least 30 packs of batteries off of here that are missing now. And several empty things here that weren't empty 20 minutes ago. But I didn't come over close enough to see exactly what they were grabbing once he said
It's just a good idea.
Thinking like another 10 over here, maybe 20?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to put a general estimate in the report, and then obviously
Okay.
when the detectives follow up with you, probably by then you'd have a more accurate estimate, or not estimate, but more accurate number.
Okay.
And then what's a good phone number for you, and then I'll get the store's phone number.
I can get the store's number for you. I don't have it memorized
Yeah, we can get that on our way out. And you got camera footage.
Yeah.
If you want to just save it, if you can. I don't know if you know how, or if someone does know how.
I've got a girl that knows how. I took some
Okay.
photos with my phone of the best
Okay,
images
yeah.
I could find, but we'll save it.
So save it all. Make sure it's all documented. So when the detectives follow up, they'll be able, and whoever you said that knows more about the system probably knows how to put it on maybe a flash drive for the detectives.
We'll give a report number so you can attach it to it so we can cover the detectives up if you get the video ready to go.
Yep. Okay.
We'll link it up.
Hello.
And, 35, 31. Definitely did the right thing trying to stop them, obviously. Let me give you this.
Okay.
It's the report number. And that's going to be my name, my partner's name, and our badge numbers.
Okay.
I think that's about it. I'm going to get the store's number from you. When you get it.
1216 671 1411.
1411.
Yep.
Okay. Alrighty. Did you have any other questions for me today?
I don't think so.
Okay. Well, if you're good, I think I'm good. I got everything. We got the description you gave in our computers. We got phone numbers, get your info, general estimate of the merchandise. I gave you the report number. I gave you your ID back.
Yep.
That's it. And we're gonna be good to go.
Thank you.
I do hope your day goes a little bit more smoothly.
I hope so too. Thank you.
Yep. And if you see him again, just feel free to call us, okay?
I will.